welcome to Big Lou Barbecue, the things I want to do. A week before Christmas or so, and this is the week after Christmas. I think it's December 29th when I'm recording this. But a week before Christmas or so, I was sent over 70 oysters. It's like I had like 7 dozen oysters. And yeah, I had 50 in one batch and 3 dozen in another. So that's 7 dozen plus 2 oysters to shuck. And I ate some raw and showed you me shucking them. They all came from Island Creek oysters. Anyway, we couldn't eat all of them raw, so we deep fried some and I char-grilled some. Yeah, I char-grilled a dozen of the Island Creek Duxbury oysters. Yeah, see, yeah, I do have hair. Some of y'all don't think I got hair. I got hair. From Duxbury, Massachusetts. They were the bigger ones. I char-grilled them on my Lodge Sportsman Grill Pro. Perfect for grilling a dozen oysters like that. I love char-grilled oysters. So I'm going to show you how I did it. But before I go any further, I want to give a shout out to Rollin' Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. Rob, he doesn't live too far from me, actually. He's from here in Louisiana, and he's getting his YouTube channel off the ground. Want you to go give Rob a shout out. I'll pull my hat up like that a little bit because sun's giving me a shadow, you know. Anyway, we had a lot going on. I was shucking those 7 dozen oysters. I was deep frying some and was grilling some. Had a lot going on that night. My daughter helps me video some of this. We're going to start out by showing you how I make the sauce. All right, for these char-grilled oysters, we're going to need butter, Worcestershire sauce, the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to chop up that whole little head of garlic. If you got a real big head, you might only want to use half for a dozen oysters. If you got 2 dozen, you might want to use a bigger 2 of these little small heads of garlic or a big one. And probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of this parsley. I'm not going to use all that parsley, but I'm going to get that parsley chopped up, get the garlic chopped up, and I'll meet you out at the grill for these oysters. Okay, the garlic and parsley are chopped, and they go into that skillet right there. All right, the juice of 1 lemon, there's half of it, and the other half's going in too. We just squeeze it all in there like that. All right, we're going to put this much Worcestershire sauce on there. I would say that's 2, maybe not quite 3 tablespoons. There we go. Put as much salt and black pepper as I want. This is that Himalayan pink salt. It's supposed to be used for Himalayan possum. You know, because I found Himalayan on the road. There we go. And black pepper, same way. Lots of black pepper. Probably didn't need that much salt because the oysters are salty, but we like salt, so there we go. All right, I wound up using the entire lemon in that sauce. That lemon was really, really juicy, and I probably should have gotten away with just half of that lemon. If you're using a lemon that doesn't produce a lot of juice or whatever, maybe not, but that lemon was really, really juicy. And at the end, well, I'll tell you about them at the end. Okay, I got the coals lit up. This is a bamboo charcoal. I may add just a little bit more, but I don't want these to cook too fast because I got to get the sauce melted and everything like that. So go ahead and that's getting a little warm already. Put that on there, and we're gonna put the sauce right there and let that sauce get all melty before we put the oysters on. All right, that sauce looks like it's just about done. So I'm gonna grab this little pot holder right here and set it to the side. We're gonna put those oysters on. All right, this Uncle Jim's bamboo charcoal is lit up and going good on this Lodge grill. I'm gonna set these down with my fingers, but that is hot, right like that. And let these, now you don't want to pull them off with your fingers. You got to pull them off with tongs. Try not to let them spill. All dozen of them. Looks like we need to, ooh, it's already getting hot. Already getting hot. And this is the last one right there. All right, these things are starting to bubble, so we're going to just go a little sauce there, a little sauce for you. Try to keep it out there. That butter's gonna cause it to flame up and smoke, but that's what makes these all so good. All right, got Parmesan cheese. Got to go in them.
Do not burn your hands.
Woo, woo. Fun on this grill. Done it on my big Argentine grill. Got 48 of them I did on that big grill. This is good for a dozen. All right, let that cheese melt. We pull them off of here. All right, the cheese is all melted. Time to pull them off of here. We're gonna set them right here on this platter. Probably should have rock salt so they don't spill, but you put them, supposed to take them out on a platter of chipped ice and then serve them on a platter of rock salt. That's how they usually do it in the restaurants. But, you know, we're at home. I forgot the rock salt. The cheese is gonna kind of lock in the juices anyway. And these are gonna be oh so good. These were the biggest of the 3 dozen sampler pack he had, and I don't remember what the names of these were. The others were mussel shoals and wellfleet. I think these are just simply the Duxbury oysters from Island Creek. That's why they weren't labeled. All right, there we go. Char-grilled oysters on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. All right, so that's how they came out. They were absolutely delicious. I had company over that night and a lot of things going on, so I didn't show you me taste tested them. They were really good, but they were a little bit too tangy, a little bit too wangy as they were described. They had just a little bit too much lemon in it. I've gotten to where when I do the char-grilled oysters, I don't really follow a recipe. I just kind of go by eyeballing. But you need some parsley, you need some Worcestershire sauce, you need that stick of butter, you need some garlic, got to have garlic, and you need some lemon juice, and you can add a little hot sauce to it if you want to. Anyway, I just put the hot sauce on with them. And you need some Parmesan or Romano cheese, either one's good. But that Lodge Sportsman's Grill did a great job grilling these oysters. Hey, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. Hope you enjoyed the video. And once again, check out my buddy Rob. He's got the same first name I got, all right? At Rollin' Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. The link to his channel will be down below.